The Catalyst program so far has been great because what it's been able to do is to support us in working through a multi-sectoral initiative to explore young people's sense of belonging in relation to physical activity, particularly in underserved neighborhoods. The emphasis on equity-based priority setting and community-driven research has really reinforced the importance of co-designing in this neighborhood for students and pulling upon their lived experience.
There are so many different people from so many different backgrounds are coming together, and it's interesting to see how all these different background and communities and a multidisciplinary space can come together and sort of like be directed towards different priorities.
It's really neat to sort of listen to all of the different perspectives of the different people in the room, and we really found quite a lot of synergies between the projects that we were sort of respectively working on. And so just I can imagine collaborating with all of them in some way.
It was interesting to see how those from that group of large group of people became together and sort of like identified where we can utilize our expertise in order to benefit that research. What was interesting for me was to see the different perspective all these individuals had within their own profession to contribute to one common project.
We also spent a lot of time understanding the local data. So the socio-demographic profiles, the walkability, the active transportation, the fast food access, housing needs, socioeconomic needs. So all of these were really developed and understood more deeply through co-creation with the community.
So something that I've been really embracing in this journey of co-creation and the work that I'm doing with the network is the power of qualitative research. And that's where we get the interesting stories from the different interest holders that we're working with. The really sort of unique strength of this collaboration is just the many different interest holders that come together. All of those sort of voices coming together. I think that's the real strength.
I think it's mobilizing various resources and recognizing how those various resources can come together to create something that's going to have a foundational impact rather than a quick answer to a challenge.
In my personal opinion, this is where the exciting community building stuff happens, right? Where you're able to see and start to tease apart the opportunity.